The destination for today was planned to be Rameshwaram and then Dhanushkodi beach. Well, the initial plan was to take the Madurai highway, which was 4 lane, and also to cover a quick distance and also to escape heat. But recent reviews, I've heard that there were a lot of road construction and lot of deviations on the Madurai highway. So instead took the Namakkal Trichy and then turned southwards towards the coastal road. Here the heat was intense as it's peak summer now in the last week of March. We had planned to stop every 100 kilometers to stretch and hydrate. There were numerous stops like this for juice to just to hydrate ourselves. Most part of the ride was with 2 lane and good tarmac. Also this road was very scenic. Imagine doing the same road post monsoon and greenery all around. Nevertheless, we wanted to cover distance as quickly and reach Pamban bridge by around 3:45 when the last train passes. Completely calm here. On the contrast, on the other side is Indian Ocean, where the waves, you can see the waves crashing to the beach. So scenic, and the sunrise from here looks epic. We clicked some nice pictures here which are almost like postcard quality. Rameshwaram was filled with devotees on the last week of March. It was like a festival there. I am not sure of the name of the event, but you could see people, they had very long needles and they pierced it through their cheek. You guys just saw was just epic, and we had a lot of fun shooting it. You can hear the breeze in this arrow straight road. This gives a very good place to take a number of photos, and with literally nil traffic on this road. Train crossing at Pamban bridge, which happens twice daily at around 11 in the morning and 3:45 in the afternoon. We wanted to witness that. Head on to Kanyakumari, which is the southern tip of mainland India. See you in the next vlog.